How to create a successful WooCommerce store and integrate it with Amazon. Want to start selling Amazon products? Maybe you are an affiliate. Maybe you have a product that you designed or a book you wrote and you want to promote it. Or maybe you're an Amazon FBA seller and you have a thriving business selling items through Amazon. In this post, we're going to take a look at how you can take back a little control over your business by creating a successful WooCommerce store and then integrating it with your products on Amazon. But first, let's talk a little bit about WooCommerce. So, WooCommerce is one of the biggest e-commerce tools in the world and sells a huge range of different products through various different vendors. It works as a WordPress plugin, meaning that most sellers are going to need a WordPress site in order to make the most from it. This is good news. WordPress is a free website building tool that powers over a quarter of the web, and that makes web development extremely simple. To get started with it, you just need to invest in a web host, a company that will store your files online and make them available to browsers. And then you'll normally be able to install it with a single click. WooCommerce is just as simple to set up. You'll just need a PayPal account, ideally, and to install the plugin via your WordPress admin panel. You'll now be able to take orders and handle inventory, and you'll be able to add orders from external websites just the same way. You can use the WooCommerce controls to add a new product, and then choose External Affiliate Product. Now enter the URL of your product and add any details and images you want to promote. This in turn will mean that when someone clicks it, they will be taken to that checkout page. You can even use an affiliate link and earn twice from those sales. So why not use a store like this and not just leave it to Amazon's very capable listings? The answer is that by running your own WooCommerce store, you'll be able to offer products right in your own blog. That in turn means you can use content marketing more efficiently. And it means you can persuade people that are engaged with your brand. If you have a successful website, then this is a brilliant way to show your products to all of those visitors.